This is for our ages 11 to 14, grade 6 to 8. It's a bridge where students move from their basic general knowledge to specialized exploration.
For the first time, we officially introduce computational thinking and artificial intelligence. We aren't just teaching them to use technology, we are teaching them to build it ethically.
But it's not about all screens. This stage introduces vocational courses or kaushal. From gardening to coding, students get hand-on experience. Meanwhile, we go deep, and I mean deep, into maths, science and languages.
Now let's talk about exams. Yes, they play a vital role here, but they have evolved. We focus on competency-based questions.
No more rote memorization. We test if you can apply what you know. And grading, it is based on holistic progress card, tracking growth beyond just numbers.
This is identity stage, your child is finding their voice. Transition to being a guide, listen more than you lecture, encourage their vocational interest, it might be their future career.
Next up, the middle school years. You do not want to miss it. Stay tuned.